So this could be quite a challenging one. My ass is incredibly wet. Ow! So welcome back. You join me here at a stream. We're going to be riding up this just now. It'll get pretty hard enduro-y, hardy. And yeah, let's set off. So already, yeah, it's definitely slippy. Yes. So yeah, this does get a lot deeper. Oh god, and the rocks get a lot bigger as well. So this could be quite a challenging one. That looks very deep. The boots are definitely getting wet. Oh god, yeah, no. I think this might be a problem. Whew, I was a bit worried we were going to drown it for a second there. The trees are going to make this difficult more than anything else. Especially holly. Nobody likes that. Except at Christmas. But this looks very slick. Oh yeah. So if you do want to test your clutch control, come to a stream. Whew. Oh, you're joking, right? I forgot there was a fence across here. I don't know where to go from here. Probably there, and then up there. Don't bog on me now. Oh, nice. All right, we are now descending to the second stage of stream bed. Not even stream bed, active stream. Let's get in there. Slip and grip. Whew. I could go around, but you know, the whole point of this is to ride the stream. It's tight. 125s, guys, they can do it. Do not be fooled. Okay, now we're at a dilemma point, because if this is too deep, I can't even attempt to go up that. The line I'd probably take. Okay, that's up to there, which I don't fancy because I haven't properly sealed off the airbox. So, time to find another way round. Oh, fuck it. Water's over the boot now. Yeah, I now have an entire aquarium in my right foot. Right then, we're now going to make our merry way to the next bit of stream. Is all the cooling down from the water going to have made the mooses hard again? Because it makes sense if it did. Yeah. Right, we found ourselves at the next section of stream. Some dangly dinglies there. Dingly danglies. One of the twain. Oh, dearie me. You know, I'm looking forward to doing all this in winter. We won't have any of this stuff going on. The 3-line conundrum. We got the easy line up and round. The cool line, probably also the hardest. Then we've got a fairly challenging one because, again, that's a lot higher than my ground clearance, so I'll be grounded out. Oh, hello. That's going to be a slippier takeoff than that. And there's a bit of a deep puddle there, but I mean, we'll try this one. And if we get up it, then we're professional. Woo, okay. And the back wheel's gone in the hole. Oh, I can also smell burning plastic. Oh shit, it's my skid plate. Oh no. No. I've melted enough plastic on this exhaust already. No. Oh dear, okay. We just lost the skid plate. Fuck. Ow! I deserved that. Question is, do we try this again? I don't really want to chicken out, and it would be sick. Yes! Okay, it wasn't exactly Graham Jarvis style, but we got forward. If that had been the only line, we would have made it, and that's what counts. if I can wheelie onto this, it might snap. A silt. Oh, it is. And now we have a whole new set of problems. Well, we don't need a side stand anymore. Right, onward. Okay, we are making our way down to our final section of accessible stream for the moment. Let's see where this takes us. Oh, that also looks deep. It's a job to know when it's this murky. Oh no! Oh shit, okay. Yeah, it's very deep. I'm gonna try and pop the front up this lip. Oh yes! Oh hello! On to the next section. Ah. I think I may have got water in the electrics, but what the hell was I expecting? Okay. No, the holly. I'm thinking if I just go for it, I won't notice it hurting me until after it's hurt me. Oh no! Okay, we're holding it there purely on the bike point and the front brake. Yes! Woo! I'm really glad I come out and did this. This has advanced my skills a fair old bit in just a small session. So guys, if you're looking to really test yourself, find a stream. Right, we're nearly there. Okay, we're in the deep bit now. So when you got 1 foot here, you want to keep 1 foot on the peg. So just as you're about to launch it, you can press and weight the rear wheel to help it grip and to help the suspension rebound. Yes. Okay. My ass is incredibly wet. Okay, we're over that. Now that is our impassable obstacle, I'm afraid. We ain't jumping that one. That's for sure. Ouch! For the finale, I'm going to attempt a highly ambitious stream into hill climb transition, which will no doubt go wrong, which I'm sure you're all secretly hoping for. So without further ado, whoa, no way! I was expecting that to be the bit where I lost it. We've dug a hole, but it's not over yet. Zigzag is the name of the game. Oh no, the tyre is useless. Anyone who can give me some advice, when this has happened and you've got a tyre made of clay, how do you then get up? Because you can't, there's no grip at all. So I mean, I'm going to try and spin the back wheel, but we might end up just falling down there. Okay, that cleared it out somewhat. Oh no! I'm pretty determined to get up here now though. Doesn't even look like it'd be that hard. Now I'm going to move to the other side of the bike. Here's a good drill. If you want to get used to your bike, you can do it on a flat surface. Practice walking around it without the stand down. Just keeping it upright. If I let go, it'll fall. But it's good to... Christ alive. It's good to be confident. Ow. Walking around it with one hand. Right, let's do it. Enough fannying about. Oh, when exiting a stream, don't forget the 3 P's. Practice, patience, and piss. Ow. Go on! Go on! Woo! Oh no! We're nearly there. Oh yes, freedom! Woo! Way! Well guys, that was a lot of fun and great for the skills. So if you enjoyed watching this, give it a like. I would appreciate that very much. And if you want to see more content like this, drop a subscribe if you haven't already, because I've got plenty more of it coming your way. Enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, see you in the next one.